Creating a Facebook business page for your Shopify store is an essential step in building your online presence and connecting with customers. Here's how you can do it. Log into your Facebook account. First, log into your personal Facebook account. If you don't have one, create it at facebook.com. Create a business page. Once logged in, go to the Facebook homepage and click the menu at the top right corner. Select Create Page from the drop-down menu. Choose Business or Brand and click Get Started. Enter business information. Name. Enter your Shopify store name as the page name. Category. Choose a relevant category. Description. Add a short description of your business. Add profile and cover photos. Upload your logo as the profile picture and the brand-related image or product photo for the cover photo. Connect your Shopify store. In Shopify, go to Sales Channels, Facebook, and click Connect Account to integrate your store with the Facebook page. This will allow you to create a Facebook shop and showcase your products directly on Facebook. Complete setup. Customize the page further by adding your website link, business hours, and contact details.